Welcome back, my beautiful people. I hope you all had an amazing new year. So for the first video of 2026, I wanted to make one about how I color grade my footage on my Action 5 Pro to make it look more cinematic. We're going to be color graded D-Log-M, and I believe you get the D-Log-M on the Action 4, on the Action 6, and even on the Pocket 3. So the principle is pretty much the same on all those cameras. But enough talk, let's get into the video. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and this is the clip that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And as you can see, the footage looks pretty flat, like there isn't really much contrast there yet. So let's bring this clip to life. And the first thing that I like to do is create an adjustment layer. The reason for this is because I prefer to color grade all my footage using an adjustment layer because it just makes the whole process a lot easier. And if I make a mistake or mess up somewhere, I can just simply delete the adjustment layer and start again instead of messing around with the original clip. So drag the adjustment layer and place it on top of the clip like this. Next, go to allometric color and head over to curves. Here I like to create a simple S-curve. It doesn't have to be perfect, something like this is more than enough. And as you can already see, that alone makes a big difference to the footage. Now the next thing to do is create another adjustment layer and place it on top of the first one. This is where we start to play around with the basic color correction. This part is completely down to personal preferences and the mood that you're trying to create. There isn't a right or wrong way of doing this. For me, I usually bump up the contrast slightly, adjust the whites, bring the shadows down a little bit and tweak around with the highlights. Then I'll add a bit of warmth and a touch of saturation to bring some life back into the image. And for me, that already looks pretty good. The key to remember here is that color grading is subjective. It's all about the feel that you want your footage to have and just experiment with it. Trust your eye and don't be afraid to tweak things until it feels right. So that's it. That is how I color grade D-Log-M footage on my Action 5 Pro. But like I said, you can use the same principle on your Action 4 and your Action 6 and the Pocket 3. But I hope this video was helpful, and as always, I will see you lot in the next one. Cheerio. So cold today. All these layers and I'm still freezing. Ugh.